Hi, I'm John Lindholm with Folder Rollers. I just wanted to say a word of thanks to all you folks that continue to be our customers. As you can see from the volume of rollers that we've put in to supply your needs, we are now able to do our roller exchange program and have thousands of rollers in stock just for that purpose. Get on that program anytime and save yourself thousands of dollars with each order that you may send. We have grown our business 30 to 40% each year because of that wonderful core exchange program. Everybody who comes here, the Donnellys, the Pitney Bowes, the general person, they all get the same pricing. We haven't had a price increase in 10 or 12 years, and our pricing is not tied to OEM pricing by any means. We're probably a third of OEM pricing, and we still have the 1-year warranty on everything that goes out the door. So we're happy to continue to do the quality work and keep improving on quality, actually. And thank you again for your patronage. Really appreciate it.